Hi, this is Mike, Project Manager with MintState.com. Today I'll be presenting a video tutorial on the coin value application. The website's URL is MintState.com and it can be accessed from any desktop, tablet, or mobile device with any browser. Feel free to look around and review articles, tutorials, and applications regarding coin collecting. Some of the applications require you to register a free account. Just fill it out and you're ready to use all the features. The coin value application allows you to select a coin series and listing options to look up and research an estimated fair market value for your coin's date, mint, variety, and grade. This can be done on any device with an internet connection. You can start the coin value application from the Applications menu, Slideshow Use Now button, or by pressing the Coin Value button under Quick Links. When you start the application, a default coin series table will display. If you have registered, it's free, and have coins in your collection, the default series will be determined by your most collected coin series. When looking at the table display, the fair market values for the series have been estimated based on many sources, factors, and reviews. The values displayed here are designed to be somewhere between wholesale and retail pricing, and to offer a value in the middle that hopefully most buyers and sellers can find fair. Now, no price list is perfect. Coin prices change more often than some think. It's based on precious metal values, available inventories, and collector demand. MintState's value application goal is simply to offer collectors all the tools and resources to make informed decisions when buying and selling coins. We'll get to these research controls in just a little bit. Let's first cover the coin series selection, filtering, and sorting options. To select a different coin series, apply the options for the denomination and series. I'm selecting Buffalo nickels. You then have the option to filter the list by coin type, designation, and variety. These options will be different based on the series. By default, the table records are sorted by year and mint, but you can also sort them by key indicators. If you select key date, the table will be sorted by coins that are rarer and higher in value, even at lower grades. You can also sort by key condition, and the table will list coins that may be common at lower grades, but are rarer at higher grades. Let's research the 1919 D Buffalo by clicking the information link. Before we continue, let me remind you, MintState does not want to be, and should not be, the only source that you review when determining a fair price. There are many other great sources run by businesses with dedicated coin experts that provide their pricing information as well. So let's see how this application can assist you in using those other sources to help you decide the best coin price. Auction pricing is a great resource. By clicking the eBay and/or Heritage Auction sold and live bidding links, you can be sent directly to those auction pages with your selected coin searched. There you saw sold at auction prices, and you can also look into purchasing the coin at auction too. Additional resources include other pricing guides for retail and market as well. PCGS, NGC, CDN, Gray Sheets, and NIN, Numis Media, are some of the most popular used by collectors and coin dealers. Again, the application will direct you to the best page on those sites to begin your research. Some may require you to register or even pay a subscription, but the information they can offer is well worth it. Sometimes the grade and rarity of a coin makes it not worth much more than its face value or its precious metals. With the metal resources, you can see the spot value and trends for platinum, gold, silver, and copper. The application also calculates the melt value of your selected coin. The last feature of the Links tool gives you the ability to quickly add records to your collection. If the button is grayed out, you have not registered or logged in. You will need to later supply images for your coins, but the tool can quickly add new collection records for you, with or without grade and the associated fair market value. I added the 1919D with no grade, and now a 1921S with grade and fair market value for very good. If I go to the Buffalo nickel group of my collection, you can see the two records were created, and now I can edit them. Well, this concludes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it educational. If you have any suggestions or ideas to improve the site, please let us know. Subscribe, like, and notify. You'll be the first to know when new features and applications are available. Thank you for supporting MintState.com.